Hello everyone, welcome to Paper Art Plan entry, and today we'll show you guys how to make a very simple paper airplane, the classic fighter. This is a traditional paper airplane, however it has not had a standard way to fall yet, so I will show you guys the standard way to fall, and I believe you guys will love how it fly. Also, this is the plane that everyone must know how to make. So let's start now. To make this paper airplane, you need a printing paper. You can use either US letter size on A4 paper. First step, I will fold the paper in half horizontally. Unfold the paper. Next, I start from the top here, forward to the center crease. And I repeat the same for the other side. Next step, I start from this edge and forward to the center crease. And I repeat the same for the other side. And the following step, start from the top here, forward to the bottom, and I use the center crease as my reference. Okay, and then I will fold the triangle shape here up. When I fold up, I will fold slowly until I see the intersection of this edge and this edge. You can see the intersection right here, right? It's right here. So I will use this as my reference point to fold the triangle shape up, and I can use the center crease here as my guide to forward. When you see this one and this one parallel or line up, that's mean you fold correctly. And now I can fold the paper in half. If you see all edges are line up or almost line up, that means you fold correctly. Okay. And next step, I will turn the paper this way, and now you can start from this edge. You can force down to this edge to create the wings. Unfold the paper, you have the wings here, and the following step, I will curve the end of the wings up. That is an important step that will help the plane to fly well. Okay, curve up even more if you want to. Okay, make sure that you fix the wings too. Okay, and here you go. This is the classic fighter. I hope you guys will enjoy making it. Also, test this out, and if it's fly well for you, like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel. And finally, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.